Have you ever wondered if your training was effective? Did your learners absorb the information needed to succeed? Let's dive into a model that is used to examine the outcomes of training or educational instruction. Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation. By the end of this video, you will be able to define the 4 levels of evaluation, identify tools that can be used at each level of evaluation, and explain the purpose of each level of evaluation. The original model was developed in the 1950s by Dr. Donald Kirkpatrick. He organized the 4 levels of evaluation in a hierarchy. Beginning with Level 1, Reaction. This level focuses on the learner's response, feedback, or feelings on the training. Why is this important? Hooking your audience is a step towards learning and sets a strong foundation for the rest of the levels. Completing surveys or interviews at the end of the training will help you assess your learners' reactions. The next level of evaluation is Level 2, Learning. Level 2 measures learners' comprehension, knowledge, or skills. Essentially, you want your learners to retain the appropriate information or attitudes. Learning can be assessed through summative or formative assessments, such as pre-test, post-test, exams, quizzes, or discussions. The next level of evaluation is Level 3, Behavioral Change. Level 3 analyzes if learners have applied what they have learned from the training in the real world. This level is crucial as it is a step towards a positive impact on the targeted goal. Behavioral change can be examined with observations and performance reviews. The last level of evaluation is Level 4, Results. Level 4 emphasizes on measurable outcomes as a result of training. Did training make a positive impact on the business, organization, or on the individual? Examples of positive impacts in the business sector include higher returns on investments, employees' professional growth, quality of services or products, or efficient production time. Tools that can be used to view results are quantitative and qualitative reports. Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation is widely used across businesses and organizations. The model allows organizations to assess and modify learning experiences when needed to provide high quality and goal-oriented training. Now that you have an overview of the original model of Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation, let's reflect. What unique tools or techniques would you use at each level, and why? Why is evaluation essential for instructional design? And how would you implement Kirkpatrick's model in your next project?